Would you eat something so hard that soldiers used to carve it into buttons when they were bored? Because that's exactly what this is. Revolutionary War Hard Tack. How's it going, everybody? Welcome to Virtual History 360. I'm Mr. Wade, and today we are biting into history. Literally. Hard tack might look like a cracker, but don't let that fool you. This was survival food. Just 3 ingredients: water, flour, and a pinch of salt. That's it. It wasn't meant to be delicious. It was meant to last forever. Soldiers on both sides of the Revolutionary War carried it in their packs, and some joked they could outlast the war itself. Now, why would anyone want to eat this? Well, think about it. When you're marching 20 miles a day with limited supplies, hardtack was your best bet for calories that wouldn't spoil. It's like the 18th century version of an energy bar, just with all the joy baked out. The idea of hardtack wasn't new, though. Sailors have been eating versions of it since the age of exploration. Long voyages meant you needed food that could survive weeks at sea. That's why you would sometimes see the round shape, because they were stored in barrels and called ship's biscuits. But back to the Revolution. For George Washington's army, especially during harsh winters like the one at Valley Forge, hardtack was a lifeline. Take a look at this list back here. Rations often included maybe a pound of meat, salted beef, salted pork, stuff like that, a pound of bread or just plain old flour, and then maybe some peas, rice, beans, vegetables if you were lucky. This little square that we're about to bake, however, helps stretch that supply, especially if the army missed your ration of meat for that day. Sounds okay, until you realize that bread often meant a dry brick like you're about to see. Soldiers soaked it in water, soup, or even coffee just to make it chewable. Some claim the only thing harder than hardtack was staying awake during guard duty. Alright, let's see if we can make this legendary biscuit. Again, the recipe is as simple as it gets. 2 cups of flour, a half a cup of water, and a pinch of salt. That's it. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to take our ingredients and we're going to combine them all and mix it until it forms a stiff dough. Now, this can take some work, but then what you're going to do is roll it out about ½ an inch thick. Poke some holes in it, and then just like that, the dough is ready. Then all you have to do is bake it at 375 degrees for around 30 minutes on each side. Now, the time and temperatures for this recipe have changed over the years, but with the same goal. The key is that you're not trying to bake bread, you're just trying to remove moisture. The less moisture, the longer it'll last. That's why original hardtack could survive for decades. No mold, no rot, just misery. Okay. Oh, wow. That's not pleasant. I mean, it's like biting drywall that's been aged in the sun. I mean, no wonder soldiers dunked it in their stew first. But, to be fair, this humble cracker helped feed an army that fought for independence. I mean, it's simple, tough, and surprisingly symbolic. Hardtack doesn't just represent survival, it represents endurance. So, next time you're complaining about cafeteria food, remember, it could be worse. You could be gnawing on 18th century cement. So, that about does it for hardtack. Leave a comment below telling me what other foods we should take a bite out of. Now, while you're there, go ahead and hit that like button so YouTube knows to share this video with everyone, and go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Okay? So, thanks for watching Virtual History 360. I'm Mr. Wade, and I'll see you next time as we bring the past to life, one bite at a time.